A customer wants a discount. I don't know what to say.
What? Right now?
Yes, table 5. She says the food was slow.
Was it slow?
Yes, very slow, almost 40 minutes.
Okay, that is a problem.
She wants 10% off. What do I do?
Did the manager say anything?
No, the manager is not here.
Okay, stay calm. Go back to the table.
And say what?
Say, I'm sorry for the wait.
Just that?
Yes, first say sorry, then listen to her.
Okay, I am sorry for the wait. Then what?
Then say, let me check what I can do.
Let me check what I can do. Okay, that sounds good.
Yes, it gives you time. You don't say yes, you don't say no.
Good idea.
Go, I will call the manager now.
Okay, I go to table 5.
And John, smile. Always smile.
Right, smile.
You can do this.
Okay, I am back.
What happened?
I said sorry. I said I will check.
Good. And she?
She was happy. She said, thank you for listening.
See, that is the job.
But what about the discount?
The manager said 5%, not 10.
5%. Is that okay?
Yes, go tell her. Say, we can offer 5% today.
We can offer 5% today.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Okay, I go back.
You are doing great, John.
Thanks, Mary.
This happens every week. Now you know what to do.
Yes, say sorry, listen, check, offer.
Exactly. 4 steps. Easy.
I feel better now.
Good. Now go. She's waiting.
I am going. She said yes.
Of course she did.
5% and she is happy.
One happy customer. Good job.
I was scared before.
I know, but you did it.
Next time I will know.
Yes, and next time you will help someone else.
Like you helped me.
That is the job.